Welcome to the BodyMaitre podcast. I'm your host, Derek. Today, we are beginning a special new guided meditation series, Mastering Gratitude with 4 Bodies. We often think of gratitude as a mental list, things we write down in a journal. But in the BodyMaitre system, we know that true gratitude is a vibration that must be integrated into your physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual bodies to truly create abundance. In this first episode, we start with the foundation, the sacred vessel, your physical body. Regardless of how you feel about your body right now, whether there is pain, judgment, or fatigue, this meditation is designed to shift that energy into safety and appreciation. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Let's begin. Before we begin, let us gently create a safe and supported space. I invite your higher self, your spirit guides, and the collective angelic support aligned with love, clarity, and truth to be present with us now. Please surround this space with protection. Support this meditation with calm and clarity, and assist in any clearing, healing, or guidance that serves the highest good with full respect for free will. You don't need to see anything. You don't need to feel anything special. Just allow the quiet sense that you are not doing this alone. Now, wherever you are, allow yourself to arrive. There is nothing you need to change, nothing you need to improve, nothing you need to understand. You don't need to relax perfectly. You don't need to focus correctly. Just let yourself be here exactly as you are in this body, in this moment. Begin by noticing the breath, not changing it, not controlling it. Just noticing that breathing is already happening. Feel the weight of your body being held by the chair, the floor, the bed beneath you. Notice where your body makes contact and how it is supported without effort. Your body already knows how to rest. As you sit here, notice if there are any emotions present. There is no need to label them, no need to fix them. Whether you feel calm, tired, heavy, distracted, or nothing in particular, all of it is welcome here. Allow the emotional body to soften, to exhale, to realize it doesn't need to protect you right now. Thoughts may come and go. Plans, memories, questions. Let them pass like distant sounds in another room. The mind does not need to solve anything now. It does not need to analyze the body. It does not need to understand gratitude. For this moment, the mind can rest. From this quiet space, we gently turn our attention toward the physical body, not to judge it, not to improve it, not to fix it, just to acknowledge it. This body that has carried you through every day of your life. Begin by bringing your awareness to the body as a whole. Feel its presence, its shape, its temperature, and gently, silently, or out loud if you wish, begin to offer gratitude. Thank you, body, for carrying me. Thank you for breathing, even when I forgot to notice. Thank you for your heartbeat, steady, persistent, day and night, without asking for recognition. If there is pain in the body, tension, or discomfort, there is no need to push it away. You might gently say, "Thank you for communicating with me. Thank you for trying to protect me. Thank you for doing the best you could with what you were given." Bring your awareness to the organs inside the body, the lungs, the heart, the stomach, the liver, the kidneys. You don't need to know what they do. You don't need to visualize them clearly. Just acknowledge that they are working for you right now. Thank you for sustaining my life. Thank you for your quiet dedication. If there are parts of the body you have judged, ignored, or been frustrated with, allow gratitude to reach them too. Not because they are perfect, but because they are part of you. Now notice what happens as gratitude settles into the body. You don't need to make it bigger. You don't need to hold on to it. Just notice how appreciation creates space, softness, or warmth in its own way. Allow gratitude to move through muscles, bones, cells at its own pace. This gratitude is now known to your physical body as safety. It is known to your emotional body as gentleness. It is known to your mental body as permission to rest. And it is known to your spiritual body as presence. This state is gently sealed across all four bodies. When you're ready, begin to sense the space around you, the sounds, the air, the room you are in. There is no rush. You can open your eyes slowly or remain closed a little longer. Bring this feeling with you into the rest of your day. Your body is always listening. Every moment of appreciation, every moment of kindness is received. Gratitude is not something you need to force. It is something your body remembers, and you can return to this space anytime. Thank you for joining me for this first episode of Mastering Gratitude. Take a moment to drink some water and ground yourself. Notice how your body feels different now compared to when we started. In the next episode, we will be working on gratitude for the emotional body. If you enjoyed this meditation, please like and subscribe to the BodyMaitre channel so you don't miss the next session. I'm Derek, and I will see you in the next episode.